Chelsea Abia third party so omo su charges no maako adwoso enan no mo chema fiti enfishano and just say 209 to 2022 na is name bo no ma transfers cast be guru na is Chelsea and na hide ntima anye anko so ntene wafe no su charges maako 74 na say adwoso 9 and so e Chelsea na say Chelsea yenim de no man so wait match no esma eba no we refer are supposed to go grown manager and so the manager Northern Forest no chima once ni dream bia so ko team bia once we wait win trophy sense or that club no.
He was open about his ambition in the statement that confirmed your arrival. He was saying we want to compete with the best, we want to win trophies. You know where this is going. So how much pressure are you under? How quickly do you think it is before you can get Nottingham Forest from winning trophies?
That could have been my quote, mate. We're no different. I mean, I've said it already that that's what I want to do. I want to win trophies. That's what I've done my whole career, and that's what I want to try and do here. And from that point of view, like I said, looking at sort of the opportunity that exists here is that every club wants to be successful for sure, but what I've seen over the last few years is since the president took over the club is that those ambitions are backed up with actions, and it's perfect conditions for me.
And to some are supposed to call room and sorry to them parents am out so no one someone and one so Nessa Northern Forest manager